I've spent 17 years in the trenches of the HVAC world, but before that, I was a nuclear power electrician. In the Navy, we didn't just fix things, we mastered the systems. When you're dealing with a reactor, good enough doesn't exist. I bring that same surgical precision to your backyard. Today, we're putting two heavyweights in the ring, Bosch and Fujitsu. We're looking at the Bosch Climate 5000 series against the Fujitsu Halcyon XLTH Elza 1. Both are top shelf inverters, but only one is going home with the title. Bosch builds their Climate 5000 with a coated coil to fight off corrosion, which is a must if you're anywhere near salt air or heavy humidity. Fujitsu counters with their HydroFin coating on the XLTH, specifically designed for improved corrosion resistance and coil durability. Both of these brands are built like tanks compared to the big box store specials, but Fujitsu's XLTH is specifically engineered for extra low temperature performance. It's got the internal armor to handle literal freezing environments without breaking a sweat. The Bosch Climate 5000 comes in with a solid 22 SEER 2 rating. The Fujitsu XLTH Elza 1 sits at 20 SEER 2. While Bosch has the edge on raw SEER numbers, Fujitsu's inverter is legendary for its low ambient heating performance. Let's talk brass tacks for the 2026 season. For a 12,000 BTU single zone setup, the Bosch Climate 5000 equipment usually retails around $1,600, with an average professional installation landing you between $3,500 and $5,000. The Fujitsu XLTH is a bit more of an investment. The outdoor condenser alone is around $2,000. You can expect a total installed price between $4,000 and $6,000. You're paying a premium for that cold weather reliability. Before we get to the warranty, here's a pro tip from the field. Clean your filters every 30 days. If those filters are clogged, your high-tech inverter is working twice as hard for half the result. It's the cheapest repair you'll ever do. In the warranty battle, Bosch offers 10 years on the compressor and 5 years on parts. Fujitsu steps up to the plate with a 10-year parts and 10-year compressor warranty, provided it's installed by a licensed pro and registered. That extra coverage on the part side is a huge peace of mind when you're dealing with proprietary inverter boards. The verdict? If you're in a moderate climate and want the best bang for your buck and higher efficiency, Bosch is your winner. But if you live where the wind howls and the mercury drops below zero, you want the Fujitsu XLTH. It's built for the extremes, and that 10-year parts warranty is the safety net you want. For most homeowners, the Bosch Climate 5000 takes the belt for its balance of price and efficiency. Shop like a pro and check out the head-to-head tool at HVAC for Beginners.